you remember learning to ride a bicycle? I'm not sure everybody's had this experience, but I did, and I remember. I remember that my bicycle had a little help in the form of some training wheels on the back wheel to help balance so that I could learn and build my confidence until I was ready for those training wheels to come off. A year or so ago, I was thinking about the fact that I stumbled into a very similar way of learning the tarot. Not intentionally, it was actually entirely by accident. But learning that system and building on it is exactly how I managed to build so much confidence in reading the tarot from such an early age. I was able to work with the tarot right away using this system, and this system grew and evolved with me over time. I realized in hindsight that it was basically like I had my own set of tarot training wheels. So I really wanted to somehow find a way to translate that experience that I had to all of you guys, so that if you want to learn how to read with the tarot, but you feel really overwhelmed by the vast array of information out there, that you could just start with something simple, something attainable, something memorable, and something that would give you the tool you need to build confidence to read with any deck, even a pip deck. So for the past year, I have been working on this system, on this course that I want to share with you right here on YouTube, a 10-lesson method to build your own set of tarot training wheels, a tool that I hope will support your continued interest in tarot and in learning how to work with the tarot. I hope that I've been successful in building a system that will help anyone who wants to learn. Everybody learns differently, but I hope that this is the kind of method that will meet you where you are so that you can just get started, because for me, that was the thing. When I first got my first tarot deck, I just wanted to get started. I wanted to play, I wanted to work with it, and I wanted to create a system that I could share with you guys that would let you do the exact same thing. And I think I've got it, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So this course, Tarot with Training Wheels, is coming to the channel very, very soon. But wait, there's more. I know it's cheesy, but I had to say it anyways. I am doing a giveaway. For those of you that think you might be joining me for Tarot with Training Wheels, I have a deck that may prove useful, and that's all I'm going to say for now because I don't want to spoil all the fun surprises when Lesson 1 rolls out very soon. But here's how it works. I have a unopened brand new copy of the Druidcraft Tarot, a deck that was created by Philip and Stephanie Carr-Gomm and was illustrated by Will Worthington. This is a gem of a deck, and this is the big deluxe set that comes with the full-size guidebook in a really beautiful slide-out drawer. I'll just show you my copy. So it comes in this really beautiful slide-out, and you have this really nice, full, beautiful guidebook like so. But I have this brand new copy to give to one of you guys. If you're interested, especially if you think you might be joining us for Tarot with Training Wheels, here's how you enter. 1, click the like button. It's totally the honor system. I'm never going to know if you clicked or you didn't click. But still, I'd really super appreciate it if you clicked it. It really helps the channel, and hopefully it will help spread the word about Tarot with Training Wheels so that people know it's coming and can plan accordingly. 2, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I really love giveaways to go to subscribers, people that are here for the content that I provide. So please make sure you're subscribed before you enter. 3, leave a comment down below with one thing, at least one thing, you can list more than one, that you find particularly challenging about trying to learn the tarot. It could be a certain card that stumps you, a part of the tarot that stumps you, a way of approaching the tarot that stumps you, something that makes it a little tough. Leave that in the comments down below, because I hope to address some of these issues, if it's not already addressed during the course, during some live Q&A sessions that we will be having as check-ins throughout the course when it first rolls out. So leave a comment like that down below, and do all of that in the next week. Pretty please, because at a certain point I will have to cut off entries, and you want to make sure that yours gets counted. So once it's been about a week, I will be cutting off the entries, putting them all into a wheel, and I will be drawing a name right here on the channel as per usual for my giveaways. I have one copy of the deck to give away, so make sure that you enter down below. And stay tuned, because Tarot with Training Wheels is coming real soon. Don't forget to click the notification bell, and maybe make sure that your device's notifications are also turned on, because you're not going to want to miss this. Thank you so much, and may your magic always shine from the inside out. Bye guys.